In this video, we will discuss about growth and development. If we look around, we will notice that from birth onward, changes of various kinds are taking place in an individual's life, which continue even during old ages. Over a span of time, a human grows and develops, learn to communicate, walk, count, read, and write. She or he also learns to distinguish between right and wrong. He or she makes friends, goes through puberty, gets married, rears children, and grows old. Even though we differ from each other, we share many commonalities. So, what is growth? Growth refers to an increase in the size of body parts or the organism as a whole. It can be measured or quantified, for example, growth in height, weight, etc. When we think of development, invariably we think of physical changes as they are commonly observed at home with young siblings, with parents and grandparents, in school with peers or other around us. From conception until the moment of death, we not only changes physically but we also change in the way we think, use language and develop social relationships. Remember that changes are not only confined to any one area of a person's life, they occur in the person in an integrated manner. So, what is development? Development is a process by which an individual grows and changes throughout the life cycle. Development is changes in size, that is physical growth, changes in proportion, that is from child to adult, changes in features, as for example, disappearance of baby teeth, acquiring new features, and they are varied in their pace and scope level. Development includes growth as one of its aspects. Factors influencing development. The human development is an interplay of biological, cognitive, and socio-emotional processes. Development due to genes inherited from parents such as height, weight, brain, heart, and lungs development, etc. points towards the role of biological process. The role of cognitive process in development relate to mental activities associated with the process of knowing and experiencing such as thought, perception, attention, problem solving, etc. Socio-emotional process that influences development refer to changes in an individual interactions with other people, changes in emotions and in personality. Differences between growth and development. Growth is qualitative in nature, but development is quantitative in nature. Growth objectively observed and measured. Development cannot be measured. Growth does not continue throughout lifespan and it stops after maturation. But development is continuous in all area of mental activity. Growth is one aspect of development and development is complex and many-sided. Growth occurs in different parts, but development changes in the organism. Growth is not directional, but development is progressive and sequential. Growth is not uniform in all the parts. Rate of development is not uniform. Individual difference exists in growth. Child differ in the level of development. Growth is not affected by learning. Learning and experiences affects development. Growth may or not lead to development. Development is integrative. Development in one aspect promotes the development in other aspects. Maturation. Maturation refers to the changes that follow an orderly sequence and are largely dictated by the genetic blueprint which produces commonalities in our growth and development. As for example, most children can sit without support by 7 months of age, stand without support by 8 months and walk by 1 year. Once the underlying physical structure is sufficiently developed, proficiency in these behaviors requires adequate environment and little practice. However, special effort to accelerate these behaviors do not help if the infant is maturationally not ready. These processes seems to unfold from within, that is, following an inner genetically determined timetable that is characteristics of species. Difference between Maturation and development. Maturation refers to the changes that follow an orderly sequence, but development does not necessarily refer to orderly sequence. Maturation is largely dictated by the genetic blueprint which produces commonalities in the growth. Development need not to be identified with genetic changes and growth. Now, facts that matter. Development is viewed as lifelong, multi-dimensional, multi-directional, plastic, historically embedded, multidisciplinary, and biological. Cognitive and socio-emotional processes influence development. The idea about development revolve around these issues, that is nature and nurture, continuity and discontinuity, stability and changes. Some basic principles underline the process of development which can be observed in all human beings. Now try this. What is development? How is it differ from growth and maturation? Discuss the various process of human development. Describe the main features of lifespan perspective on development.